Good day to our honorable panelists. We are the Fantastic Four from CCIS 5P. And today, allow us to present our study titled QR Code-Based Parking Access and Monitoring System for SPCF Campus. So our study focuses on solving a real and common issue here in SPCF, such as illegal sticker duplication and drivers who pay guards daily instead of registering officially. These practices cause unfair access to parking areas and confusion among guards. So to address this, we designed a QR code-based parking access and monitoring systems that automates entry and exit tracking, helping make SPCF's parking system more secure, fair, and efficient. So let's go to our introduction. So parking congestion has long been a problem on campus, causing delays, wasted times, and frustration for both students and employees. Traditional manual monitoring lacks real-time updates and allows unauthorized vehicles to enter the premises. So our study focuses on using QR code technology to automate parking access and monitoring. By implementing this, system, we aim to improve efficiency, enhance security, and provide convenience to all SPCF campus users. So, in simple terms, some vehicles can still enter campus parking without being properly registered, um, either by duplicating stickers or paying guards daily. So, this results in overcrowding and unfairness and difficulty in identifying legitimate vehicles na nakaregister sa Systems Plus. So with our proposal QR code system, entry and exit will be automated and verified. So it prevents sticker duplication and ensuring that the only registered users can enter the premises. So overall, it will save time, reduce human error, and make SPSF parking more organized and transparent. So let's proceed to our statement of the problems. So how can SPSF develop a secure and efficient parking monitoring system using QR code technology? And specifically, it seeks to answer how can QR codes track vehicle entry and exit if they enter the school premises and uh, exit. How can we track them for security purposes? And how can manual errors be reduced, such as entering the school and avoid confusion? So number three is how can unauthorized access be prevented? Again, for security, how do users find the system's usability, and how does it address SPCF's specific needs? So the main goal of our study is to create a system that improves security, accuracy, and efficiency in campus parking. So these specific questions uh, guided us on how we designed the system, focusing on reducing human errors, preventing unauthorized access, and making the system easy to use for both drivers and guards. So let's proceed to our objective. Our main objective is this study means this study aims to design and develop a QR code based parking monitoring system that enhances efficiency, accuracy, and security within the SPSF campus. So our specific objective is to design and implement a QR code-based system for vehicle and exit tracking, improve parking record accuracy through real-time updates and reduce manual errors, enhance parking security by preventing unauthorized access and keeping reliable logs, evaluate system usability for students and employees, and support campus parking management with a tailored solution. So in summary, our objectives focus on modernizing SPCF parking through QR code technology that eliminates sticker duplication and unauthorized and unrecorded daily payments. The systems aims to provide accurate real-time monitoring that will help administrators and guards manage parking more efficiently. In terms of uh, next, so In terms of our scope and the limitations, for our scope focuses on designing and evaluating QR code-based parking access and monitoring systems for SPCF campus developing using PHP and MySQL to automate vehicle and entry and exit, and improve parking management involves student and employees who use the campus facilities. So for our delimitations, limited to the specific main campus parking area and existing network, excludes RFID mobile payment, fee computation, slot reservation, and external traffic. And data collection is only limited to SPCF users only. So our study is limited to SPCF main campus and focuses only on parking and access monitoring. It doesn't yet include payments or slot reservation. We made it practical and focused and addressing the most important problems. First, access control, accuracy, and fairness. So next to our significance of the study. So our significance of the study provides an automated and secure parking system that improves efficiency and monitoring within SPCF, benefits students and employees by offering a faster, safer, and convenient parking process, helps the SPCF administration manage parking operation and data effectively. So serves as reference for future researchers and promote innovation in smart campus IT based. And this project benefits the administration by improving control and records, so it also helps guards reduce manual checking and human errors, and gives student employees faster and fair experience. So moving on to our review of related literature, we chose three core topics that help us build the foundation of our research. So first is, according to Bregabiel and Santia 2024, who developed a QR code-based monitoring system at Carlos Hilado Memorial State College, ensuring real-time tracking and data reliability. And according to Navalton 2022, implemented the QR code vehicle monitoring system at university, enhancing safety, accuracy, and efficiency. So also, according to Docanya et al. 2020, developed a QR code-based smart parking system that automated vehicle and entry parking slot allocation, reducing manual errors and improving monitoring accuracy through real-time data recording. So these studies showed how QR codes can greatly improve parking systems through automation, accuracy, and security. However, most of these were applied in other universities and settings. So our study focuses specifically on SPCF where sticker duplication and daily guard payments are the main issues. So this makes our system more localized and practicalized solution for our campus. So for our methodology, this study will use a quantitative descriptive research design to evaluate proposed systems efficiency, reliability, and usability. So we use this quantitative description design so we could measure users' opinions and using actual data and numbers. So data will be collected from 100 SPCF students and employees, specifically those who drive and actively use the campus parking area through a validated Google Form survey. So our respondents are 100 SPCF students and employees who regularly using the parking area. And we use Google Form surveys to analyze and using frequency percentage and weighted mean to see how users rated the system's security, reliability, and usability. And participation will be voluntarily and will be conducted ethically in accordance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. And that sums up our research presentation. And now we're here to answer your questions.
So, to answer the first question, so our proposed system aims to address the lack of automation and security in SPCF's current parking management process. So, the existing manual system often results in slow verification, inaccurate vehicle logs, and limited monitoring of vehicle entries and exits. So, our study bridges that gap by introducing a digital solution that automates parking operations, ensuring faster access, accurate records, and enhanced campus security.
So for number two, the proposed QR parking system improves efficiency by automating the entry and exit process, reducing waiting time and manual verification. It enhances security through unique QR codes that prevents unauthorized access and ensure accurate vehicle tracking.
So for the third question, our system includes key features such as QR code generation and scanning, a real-time monitoring dashboard for security personnel, and a centralized database for storing user and vehicle information, and a web-based interface for administrators and users. So these components work together to automate the parking access, record vehicle activities accurately, and provide administrators with tools to monitor and manage parking operations efficiently.
So for the fourth question, our proposed system will be developed using PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and a web-based framework. It will require computers or servers for hosting, smartphones or QR scanners for user, and security personnel access and SPCF's existing network infrastructure to ensure connectivity and data synchronization. These resources collectively support the successful implementation and operation of the system. Then for the last question, the effectiveness of our system will be measured through user feedback surveys, system performance evaluation, and comparisons between manual and automated process. Metrics such as time efficiency, user satisfaction, and accuracy of parking records will be analyzed to determine the system's overall impact on the operational efficiency and security within the SPCF parking area.
So thank you to our honorable panelists for your time and attention. We are the Fantastic Four from CCS5B, and we truly believe that our QR code-based parking access and monitoring system can help SPCF create a more secure, organized, and transparent parking experience for everyone. Thank you.